Hello, everyone. Grab a cup of tea and get comfortable. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm happy because Anastasia sounds like she's inviting everyone into a secret club.
It is a cozy little club. And today, I want to talk about something I hear all the time. People say, "Oh no, someone laughs at my English. I feel embarrassed."
Yeah, that one comes up pretty often. And every time I'm like, why? We're all learning something all the time. Nobody laughs when I try yoga and fall over.
Well, I laugh a little.
Betrayal.
But seriously, it really hurts people. They think their English must be perfect or they shouldn't speak at all.
And the funny thing is, most everyday English uses simple things simple present, simple vocabulary, small habits, daily routines. I usually do, I often feel. Nothing dramatic.
Yeah. And today we help you speak with confidence, even in simple present.
Which is great because I personally love simple things. Simple coffee, simple mornings, simple grammar.
You're basically a minimalist philosopher.
I try.
And before we dive deeper, if you enjoy natural English conversations like this, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us keep creating for you. Smiles.
It really does. All right, let's talk confidence.
You know, the simple present is like the backbone of your daily English. You use it when you say, I live here, I work there, I study English, I feel nervous, I want to improve.
Or I need help. I like this podcast. I hate Mondays.
Yes, the essentials of life.
And notice none of those sentences need advanced grammar. It's just normal.
But people think it sounds too simple.
And yet native speakers use it constantly. I say things like, I drink coffee in the morning every single day.
Literally every day.
Every single one.
So when learners say, if I use simple present, people laugh, I always want to ask, who are these people?
Usually, it turns out nobody actually laughs. The fear just laughs inside your head.
Yes, the fear is loud.
But fear isn't a person, and fear isn't right.
I think the key is learning to say simple things with confidence, like, I always try, I keep going, I'm learning today.
Because those are strong sentences, not complicated. Strong.
George, what sentences do you use in simple present every day?
I wake up early. I check my messages. I complain about the weather.
Honest.
I'm a simple man.
And that is why English learners feel safe with you.
I try.
When I teach simple present, I always say, imagine your life is a movie, and simple present describes the general truth of this movie.
Curious. What kind of movie is your life?
A chaotic comedy with emotional monologues.
Very accurate.
Hey!
With very good lighting.
Okay, forgiven.
Anyway, simple present is clear. It's stable. It says, this is who I am.
Yes. And saying, I speak English, even with mistakes, is so brave.
Mistakes come and go. Confidence stays.
You know, I remember a student telling me, people laugh at me when I say something wrong. And I asked, which people? And she said, well, maybe nobody, but I imagine it.
That's the thing. Your brain creates a whole cinema in your head.
A negative movie.
In the simple present helps you break the movie. You say, I learn, I grow, I try, I speak. Those are real actions.
And real power.
Let's give a few more natural examples learners can use every day.
Good idea. I say things like, I take my time, I stay calm, I trust myself.
And I often say, I listen first, I think about it, I choose slowly.
You choose everything slowly.
It's a lifestyle.
What else? Maybe something for social situations?
Oh, you can say, I understand you, I hear you, I agree, I disagree, I feel nervous, but I speak.
You can also say, I don't know.
I love that one.
It's honest.
Yes, learners underestimate how powerful I don't know is.
Native speakers use it constantly.
Constantly.
And if someone does laugh at your English,
That is their problem.
exactly. Because language is about connection, not perfection.
And connection lives in simple sentences.
You know what I notice? When someone speaks confidently, people don't even notice grammar.
Yes, confidence is like a warm light. People look at the light, not the grammar.
Very poetic.
Thank you.
So the simple present becomes your toolbox.
I speak, I learn, I grow, I improve, I try again.
And nobody can take that away.
You know, George, when learners use these simple present sentences with a steady voice, something changes in the room.
Yeah, people pay attention, not because the grammar is complex, but because the person is present.
Present in the present tense.
I walk right into that one. Well played.
But really, when you say, I speak English, it's not just grammar, it's identity.
Exactly. It's a small sentence with a big meaning.
And sometimes people tell me, but Anastasia, my sentences are so basic.
So what? Basic is clear. Basic is honest.
And basic is natural.
Most conversations are built on simple present. People say, I like it, I don't like it, I think so, I don't think so.
I want coffee.
I need a nap.
Your classic line.
It's timeless.
You know, George, learners often try to sound advanced, but sounding human is much more important.
Yes, human beats advanced. Every time.
And simple present is the most human tense. It shows what you do every day, how you live, what you believe.
I believe you can do it. That's a simple present sentence.
And a very sweet one.
But let's talk about the fear part for a moment, because this idea, someone laughs at my English, it's powerful.
Too powerful. The fear usually comes from school. You make a mistake, 30 people stare at you.
Yes, and suddenly the classroom becomes a stage.
A very unfriendly stage with terrible lighting.
With no applause.
Exactly. But adult life is different.
Nobody has time to analyze your grammar.
People listen to the meaning, not the structure.
And if your meaning is clear, you win.
Always.
I like giving learners small anchor sentences they can use anywhere.
Oh, like little confidence buttons?
Confidence buttons?
Yes, you press them and you feel stronger.
I love that. Okay, let's create a few.
I speak slowly, and that's okay.
I choose my words.
I learn every day.
I make mistakes, and I continue.
I'm proud of myself.
That one is important.
It is.
You know, sometimes I tell students, if a person laughs at you for learning a language, that person probably doesn't speak any other language.
Yes. Only monolingual people laugh.
Multilingual people admire you
Deeply. Because they know how hard it is.
and how brave it is.
Let's talk about pronunciation too.
Ah, yes, the secret monster under the bed.
Exactly. Learners panic about pronunciation like it must be perfect.
But accents are natural. They're beautiful.
They show your story.
They show your roots.
And people love stories.
And roots.
When someone hears a foreign accent, they don't think, oh no, wrong sound. They think, oh, this person speaks more than one language.
And that's impressive.
Very. So instead of hiding, I always suggest telling people simple things in simple present. I'm learning, I try, I practice every day.
And if someone says your accent is strong, you can say, I know and I like it.
I love it.
But the real magic is when learners speak without apologizing.
Yes. Don't start with, sorry for my English.
Please don't.
Start with, I want to say.
I think.
I feel.
I need.
I mean.
Those are classic native phrases.
All simple
All present tense.
and all powerful.
You know, I like telling students that confidence doesn't come after perfect English.
Yes.
Confidence comes before it.
The grammar follows the courage.
Exactly.
And courage lives in simple sentences.
I'm here.
I'm trying.
I keep going.
I don't give up.
And I drink coffee.
Very important.
Essential.
Actually, simple present helps in conversations because it's quick.
Instant meaning.
No need to think about complex structures.
Or conjugations.
Just open your mouth.
And speak.
Exactly.
When you walk into a shop, what do you say?
I want this one. I need that. I don't understand. I have a question.
Beautiful.
Simple.
Strong.
And when you meet a new person,
I come from, I live in, I work as, I enjoy.
and I speak English, but I'm learning.
Yes, that one is perfect.
People always respond kindly.
Humans like seeing effort.
It's universal.
You know, I want to add something.
Go ahead.
The simple present is not only for facts, it's for values.
Values?
Yeah. When you say, I respect people, I believe in kindness, I like honesty, you show who you are.
Oh, I love that.
Those sentences build trust in conversations.
And trust builds connection.
Exactly.
So when a learner uses the simple present with calm confidence, people admire them.
They feel the sincerity.
They feel the message.
They don't hear the mistakes.
Because communication is emotion.
And emotion is simple.
Beautifully simple.
And sometimes, when you speak with emotion, even if the sentence is simple, it lands deeper.
Yes, like when someone says, I appreciate you.
That one hits the heart.
Or I trust you.
Very powerful.
Simple present is basically emotional honesty in grammar form.
That's one way to put it.
You know, I often tell students that English isn't a performance.
It's a connection tool.
Yes, nobody expects poetry.
Except maybe you.
Okay, sometimes.
I see the sparkles in your eyes.
I like sparkles.
Nothing wrong with that.
But for everyday English, you just say what you mean with simple present
And it works.
every time.
Because clarity matters. Honesty matters. Effort matters.
And people feel it when you try.
They really do.
I think confidence grows when you stop imagining that someone is judging you.
Yes, you shift the focus from fear to meaning.
From grammar to connection.
From perfection to presence.
And from silence to voice.
That one is important. Voice is everything.
You know, the more we talk about it, the more I feel how simple present anchors us in real life.
It grounds us.
Yes, it tells the world who we are today. Not yesterday, not tomorrow.
Today. And today is where communication happens.
What about you, listeners? When do you feel most confident using simple English? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts.
We always enjoy reading your stories.
You know, before we finish, I want to revisit a few expressions we used, just because they feel so empowering.
Go on.
I try. I learn. I keep going.
I make mistakes and continue.
I speak English.
I'm here.
George always chooses the philosophical ones.
It's a talent.
And maybe that's the real lesson today.
Speak simply.
Speak honestly.
Speak bravely.
Even if your sentence is 3 words long.
Especially then.
So, if you liked this episode, subscribe, leave a like, and share it. It truly supports our little studio.
And it keeps Anastasia supplied with sparkles and tea.
Hey, that's important.
Absolutely essential.
Thanks for being part of our little English journey.
Wherever you are, have a wonderful day.